children. So today we are going to start with a new unit, that is Unit 5, Tenali Raman outwits the thieves. And before we start the lesson, I would like to ask you a few questions, children. Who is the Prime Minister of our country? Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister of our country, and he takes care of the people's welfare, and he takes care of the law and order of our country. But in olden days, what used to happen, children? There used to be a king, and he used to be the head of that kingdom. And in this lesson, there was a king called Krishnadeva Raya, and he ruled Vijayanagar Empire during 16th century. He was a great king, children, and in his kingdom he had 8 courtiers. Courtiers means who? Courtiers means the people who attend king's court. He had 8 poets, scholars who used to guide king in various matters like law and order. Okay, they used to guide the king, and one of them was Tenali Raman. One of the courtier was Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was very clever, children. He was very clever, and he was outsmart. He was outsmart means he used to solve the problems on his fingers. He used to solve the problems very quickly. So king was very happy with Tenali Raman, and what the king used to do, he used to give him expensive gifts. He used to give him expensive gifts for his outsmart answers. Okay, and what happened, children? So there were so many thieves in that kingdom. There are so many thieves in that kingdom, and these thieves wanted to steal Tenali Raman's expensive gifts. Okay, and how Tenali Raman outwits the thieves? Outwit means how he oversmartly fools the thieves, and he doesn't lose his expensive gifts. Okay, so we are going to learn how Tenali Raman fools the thieves. Okay, and before we start, let us know the new words and its meanings. Courtier. Courtier, a person who attends the king's court. Whisper, talk so softly that only a few people near you can hear. Breeze, a light wind. Wickedly, mischievously. Outwit, outsmart. Outsmart means, children, acting cleverly. So here Tenali Raman acted cleverly, and he fooled the thieves, and he saved his jewels. Let us begin with the unit, that is Unit 5. Tenali Raman outwits the thieves. King Krishnadeva Raya was a great king. In his court, he had many courtiers. He liked them all, but his favorite was Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was not only a courtier, he was also a very rich man. The king used to give him very expensive gifts. Many thieves wanted to steal these beautiful and expensive things from Tenali Raman's house. So Krishnadeva Raya was a great king, and he had many courtiers. Courtiers means a person who attends the king's court, and he liked all the courtiers, but he liked the most was Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was very clever man. He was a rich man also, and he used to get expensive gifts from king. And there were many thieves in the kingdom also, children, and these thieves wanted to steal the expensive gifts from Tenali Raman's house. So let us see how they planned. One night, Tenali Raman and his wife were sitting in their garden. Suddenly, Tenali Raman's sharp eyes saw the leaves of a bush shaking. He whispered to his wife, "There is no breeze. Why are the leaves of the bush shaking in that way?" So one day what happens, children? Tenali Raman and his wife are sitting in a garden and they are talking to each other. Suddenly what happens? Tenali Raman sees the leaves of the bush shaking and he just whispers to his wife. Whisper means what? To speak in a low voice. Only the person who is sitting next to you could hear. He just whispers to his wife and he says, "There is no breeze." Breeze means what? A light wind. There is no breeze. And why are the leaves of the bushes are shaking like this? So to that, let us see what his wife replies. "Yes, you are right," said his wife. "They really are shaking quite a bit." "I am quite sure," said Tenali. "Some thieves must be hiding behind the bush, waiting for us to go to bed." So his wife replies to Tenali that yes, even I also could see some of the leaves of the bushes shaking, and they are shaking, and they're shaking too fast. And Tenali just guesses that there must be some thieves who must be hiding behind the bushes, and they are just waiting for Tenali Raman and his wife to go to bed. Tenali Raman started talking loudly to his wife. "Yes, you know, today I learned that thieves have been stealing from the houses of our neighbors." "Yes," said his wife. "All my friends are talking about it." So Tenali Raman says to his wife that he heard that many thieves are stealing the things from their neighbors. To that, his wife replies that she also heard from few of her friends that they have stolen the things from their friend's house also. Then let us see what happens next. I am sure that the news about these robbers is correct. Come, let us go inside. Pack up your jewels. We shall throw them in the well. They will be safe there. If the thieves come here, they will never find the jewels." So that Tenali Raman started speaking loudly to his wife and asked his wife to pack all the jewels, and they decided to throw the jewels in the well. And they said to each other that if the jewels are thrown into the well, then they will be safe, and if the thieves come to steal the jewels from their house, they will never find it. Then the thieves behind the bush heard every word. They smiled wickedly. They looked at each other and nodded their heads. So what happened? The thieves heard Tenali Raman speaking to his wife, and both the thieves smiled wickedly. Wickedly means mischievously. They smiled and they looked at each other and they just nodded like this. So in the next class we'll see how Tenali Raman fools the thieves and how he saves his jewels. Until then, go through the video and read the lesson as you have bought the textbooks. I want you to go through the Sunshine Semester 1 book and read the lesson, understand the lesson, read it and also watch the video to understand this lesson. Okay children, until then, have a great day, have a good day, goodbye.